Hey everyone, continuing with repairing my Audi A6 C5. In this video, I'll be replacing the low beam headlight bulb. Yesterday, I noticed that the low beam headlight on one side of my car stopped working. Take a look. I switched the low beam headlights to the on position. Then I walked to the front of the car to see where the light is missing. Turns out, one headlight is working, but the other one is not. I'm hoping it's just a matter of replacing the halogen bulb and not an issue with the wiring or fuses. So, I pop open the hood of the car and I'm going to try to access the low beam headlight bulb now. As you can see, the issue was with the faulty bulb and replacing it wasn't difficult at all. See you soon in the next videos. Bye!